The history of cake is as rich and diverse as the flavors that tantalize our taste buds. From the earliest days of civilization to the present, cake has evolved into a beloved symbol of celebration and indulgence. Ancient Egyptians laid the foundation for cake, baking sweet honey cakes infused with flour and nuts, often sacrificed to their deities. This sacred act fuses sustenance with spirituality, offering a glimpse into the cultural significance of cake in human history. As empires expanded, so did the concept of cake. Greeks and Romans embraced baking, crafting intricate cakes embellished with honey and wheat. These creations became staples at ceremonies, marking significant moments in life. The Middle Ages saw the rise of fruitcakes and bread cakes, which graced tables during weddings and holiday feasts. These hearty compositions reflected the agricultural bounty of Europe, seasoned with spices treasured for their rarity. Rich with flavors, spice cakes brimming with cinnamon and nutmeg were not merely culinary delights. They symbolized status and luxury in a time of scarcity. The Renaissance and Enlightenment ushered in a sweet revolution as sugar became readily available. Bakers began to explore creativity, producing elaborate cakes adorned with intricate designs. French pâtissiers elevated cake to an art form, creating masterpieces such as croquembouche and millefeuille, showcasing elegance and refinement. The Industrial Revolution, however, transformed the cake landscape further. With mechanization, mixing and baking became efficient, leading to the commercialization of cakes. The 20th century popularized convenience with cake mixes and frostings, inviting home bakers to partake in the delightful world of cake making easily. Contemporary cake culture is a vibrant tapestry of tradition and innovation. The advent of Food Network shows inspired a new generation of bakers, while social media platforms allowed enthusiasts to showcase their creations, fostering a global community of cake lovers. Artisanal bakeries and bespoke cake designers now craft edible art that pushes the boundaries of imagination, blending flavors and aesthetics in mesmerizing ways. This ongoing evolution reflects our connection to cake, not merely as a sweet treat, but as a vessel for memories, celebrations, and personal expression. From humble honey cakes to the intricate designs of today, the history of cake is a testament to humanity's creativity and indulgence. Each slice tells a story, a nostalgic journey woven through time, reminding us of the joy and sweetness life has to offer.